Hey friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to tell you about the best video compressor software. If you're the person who frequently works on videos, you know how important it is to have a good video compressor to keep your files small and easy to work with. In this video, I will tell you top options to help you choose the right one for your needs. So let's start our video first. We have Handbrake. Handbrake is a free, open-source video compression software that you can use on all devices like Windows, Mac, and Linux. It's very simple and user-friendly, which can be a great choice for beginners. With the help of Handbrake, you can compress your videos into a variety of formats, including MP4 and MKV. You can also choose the video and audio codecs you want to use, which is very useful and gives you a lot of control over the compression process. So this was our first video compression software. Number 2, we have Adobe Media Encoder. So friends, Adobe Media Encoder is a very famous, powerful video compression tool that's included with the Adobe Creative Suite. Actually, it's a paid software, but if you're already using Adobe products, it's definitely worth checking out. One of the best things about Adobe Media Encoder is that it supports a wide range of formats and codecs, so you can compress your videos in almost any way you want. And moreover, it also has a lot of advanced features like multipass encoding and the ability to set up custom encoding presets. So let's move forward. Our third video compressor on our list is Wondershare UniConverter. Friends, Wondershare UniConverter is a paid video converter software that's available for both Mac and Windows. The most powerful thing in this software is its speed and efficiency, as well as it has a unique ability to compress videos without sacrificing too much quality. The most important feature of Wondershare UniConverter is its ability to batch compress videos, which can save you a lot of time if you have a lot of files to work with. So friends, if you have a good budget, this software is going to be very helpful for you. The fourth option is DivX Converter. The good news about this is that DivX Converter is a free video compressor software that's available for both Mac and Windows. It's a popular choice among video professionals because it offers a lot of control over the compression process. With DivX Converter, you can choose the bitrate, resolution, and frame rate of your compressed video, which gives you a lot of flexibility in how you want your files to look and feel. So guys, the last software in this list is VidCoder. VidCoder is a free video compressor software that works on Windows. It's similar to Handbrake in many ways, but it has a few additional features that make it worth considering. For example, VidCoder allows you to preview your compressed video before you save it, which can be very helpful in making sure you're happy with the final result. So there you have it. The top 5 video compression software options available on the market today. If you're a beginner or a professional, there's something on this list for everyone. Do you have a favorite video compressor software that we didn't mention? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Please don't forget to share it with your friends. See you next video very soon. Bye for now.